Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions. Confirm your ISP isn't reporting an outage, because that saves time when troubleshooting. Next, power cycle the modem and router. Shut off, wait 30 seconds, then restart and give devices 2 to 3 minutes to stabilize. Once done, plug your PC directly into the modem with an Ethernet cable to bypass Wi-Fi variables. This isolates whether the issue is wireless versus the ISP or modem itself, and lets you proceed with targeted steps. Now perform deeper diagnostics and resolve software causes. Open a command prompt and run ping to 8 and transert to a domain. This shows packet loss and where latency spikes occur. Then update or reinstall your network adapter drivers via Device Manager or the vendor installer, because outdated drivers often cause instability. Make sure your PC has a valid IP and clean DNS cache. Run ipconfig/renew and ipconfig/flushtons and temporarily set DNS to 1, 1, or 8. Finish with optimization and a clear fallback plan. Adjust Wi-Fi channel and switch between 4 GHz and 5 GHz, reposition the router centrally and away from interference sources to improve signal consistency. Swap Ethernet cables and test with a second device to confirm whether the problem is hardware-specific. Review modem logs and update firmware if available. If instability persists, perform a factory reset on the router after backing up its config, and then contact your ISP with the ping/transert results and log details for escalation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.